and welcome to News 19. This is Ananya. RBI maintains the QUO status. Let's have a look at the report. The Reserve Bank of India on Friday maintained the status QUO on benchmark interest rates. The Central Bank's Monetary Policy Committee announced key repo rates at 6.5%, keeping it unchanged yet again. The committee undertook this measure with a 5:1 majority, making this the 11th consecutive time the regulator chose to maintain the status quo on interest rates. Notably, the last time of the MPC changed the key rates was in February 2023. Sharing details of the meeting, Governor Shaktikant Das said that the RBI continued to keep a neutral stance on monetary policy. The committee decided to maintain the status quo on other key rates as well. The committee decided to maintain the marginal standing facility at 6.75% and the standard deposit facility at 6.25%. After detailed assessment of the evolving macroeconomic and financial development and the outlook, the Monetary Policy Committee decided by the majority of 4:2 to keep the policy repo rate unchanged at 6.5%. Consequently, the standing deposit facility (SDF) rate remains at 6.25% and the marginal standing facility (MSF) rate and the bank rate 6.75%. The RBI governor said that the price stability is important for every segment of the society. Das, who chaired the MPC meeting, added that the committee remains focused on a durable alignment of inflation with the target while supporting growth. High inflation reduces the disposable income in hands of consumers, which negatively impacts the real GDP growth. The governor noted, he pointed out that the financial market. इस रिपोर्ट में फिलहाल इतना ही। तब तक के लिए बने रहिए हमारे साथ और देखते रहिए न्यूज़ 19।